Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I received this package from my good friend TraderJoe. It came through this morning. It's had a bit of a trip though. It didn't come direct. It came by several other US cities. But never mind, hey, it's here now. So let's take a look at exactly what he sent me, shall we guys? Okay, so we've got this what have we got here then, guys? There we are. We've got this washable paper wine bag. This is interesting. It feels just like leather, but it's actually not. It's apparently paper, as we've just seen. Quite an interesting bag. Never seen the likes of it before, but it's quite interesting, is that? What else we got? Oh, another pouch. Digital camo pouch here, still in the bag. Let's get him out and have a look at it, shall we? Where's it by? Yep, I can't read that. But there you go, guys. So as you can see, it's MOLLE compatible. MOLLE straps on the back. Oh, I see. I see. Right, okay. So it's like you could put it in a pocket, keep stuff in your pocket. That's a nice little bag. I like that. Drain hole in the bottom. Quite nice. It feels quite nicely made too. So, okay, so there's a nice pouch there. Could use that for EDC stuff, I guess. And we have this little fellow right here. And this is like a almost like a dump pouch, as you can see. You can pull the top up, keep stuff in there. Not quite MOLLE compatible. Belt loops there and here. I've got a little pocket down the back here as well, guys, and keep stuff in there. Little net bit in the back there, in the front, sorry. And we have a little pocket as well. I like the colour, OD green. I like OD green. I also like FDE as well, but OD green, very nice, like that. And what else? Oh, a very small pair of I guess these like what would you call these now? Contact pliers, maybe, like a little tiny pair of water pump pliers. Who are they made by? Let's have a look here. Can you see that, guys? Is it going to focus for us? So that looks like KDMFG Co. Number, what is that? Number 7. Number 7 on there, and on the other side, made in the US. How nice do these look? I like those. I like interesting pattern on the handles too. They're quite dinky little things, aren't they? Okay, what else has he sent along there? Oh, there's an interesting little knife here, like a little neck knife. It tells me this is by Uddo. So just look at that. It's nice and shiny. I like the handle on it is interesting too, look, guys. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, it's a nice little, very nice little small knife. I can just about hold that as well, look. It comes with like a Kydex neck sheath sort of thing, and does it clip in there? Yep, it's a very tight fit. That's rather nice too. Like a nice little bit of paracord on the end there. But I do like that. The handle's very nice. So you can hang that round your neck. Now then, we get to the pick of the bunch here, guys. Something that you specially sent over for me. Thank you very much indeed, TraderJoe, for this. This is fantastic. Check that out, guys. A Gerber Prybrid Utility. Check that out. A little retractable blade on there, if I can get it to work. There we go. See a little retractable blade in there. These things are really nice. I like these. They come in 2 colours. I believe it's urban grey and this very nice OD green. It's a fairly chunky bit of kit. We'll have to get that out later on. Get that the right way up for you as well, look, guys. There we go. What do you think of that? I like that a lot, actually. So I can't wait to get into that. Thank you very much, Joe. Thanks for that. Okay, so as you can see, he sent me over some really interesting kit here. Nice little pliers. I can't think what these things are called now. Contact pliers? I can't think what they call them now, but they're quite nice. I've got several pairs of little small pliers, so this will go with that collection very nicely indeed. The little Uddo or Uddo knife here, that's nice. Another nice EDC pouch for me to put a load of gear into. That's quite nice, isn't it? I like that. And the interesting washable paper wine bag. That is very interesting. It feels, just, as I say, it feels just like leather. So it's quite thick stuff. And they must have treated it somehow or another. It's got a label in there, yeah, washable paper wine bag. But yeah, I like that's quite interesting. That I like that. And as I say, then we have the. I'm really looking forward to reviewing this, guys. I might very well do it this coming weekend, I think. We have a bottle opener on here, so I know who'll be interested in doing the bottle opener, and that'll hopefully be Mrs. Rathbone. She'll enjoy doing that. She likes bottle opening. So, yeah. Very nice indeed. Okay, so just like to say thank you very much to Trader Joe for once again sending me a load of really, really nice kit in. You're very generous. Thank you very much, Joe. Okay then, everyone. Well, thanks for popping over and taking this a look at these this very nice gear sent over by Trader Joe. I do appreciate it, Trader Joe. Very generous again. Thank you very much. I'm quite looking forward to getting into this little baby here. Probably get into that this evening. After I've finished doing this, I'll get into that and have a look at it. You can see more of this stuff on my Instagram page as I get round to taking a more detailed look at stuff. So keep an eye on my Instagram page, guys, because I will be, especially when I get this thing opened properly, it'll be on there. Alright guys, well, thanks for popping over. Thank you very much for taking a look at this lot here. And once again, thank you very much, Trader Joe. Now, stay safe, everyone. Alright? Try not to catch the Rona bug. Stay safe, stay at home, protect the NHS, stay safe.